Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the best canned food for survival.
When disaster strikes, food becomes one of the most critical items for survival. But what's the best canned food to keep you nourished when times get tough? Today we're breaking down why canned beans are the ultimate survival food, and why they should be at the top of your emergency stockpile. First up, canned beans. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, or chickpeas, they are a powerhouse of nutrients. High in protein, fiber, and essential minerals, beans provide long-lasting energy and can help you stay full for hours. Beans are also extremely versatile. You can eat them straight from the can, add them to soups, or mix them with rice or other ingredients you have on hand. In survival situations, flexibility is key, and beans give you that. Here's why beans are the best choice. They're rich in protein, which is essential for keeping your muscles strong when food is scarce. They're packed with fiber to keep your digestion in check, and loaded with iron and magnesium, helping you fight fatigue and stay mentally sharp. Not only are canned beans nutritious, but they also have a long shelf life, up to 5 years or more when stored properly. That means they'll be ready whenever you need them, whether it's during a power outage, a natural disaster, or any emergency situation. Canned beans are also inexpensive and easy to find, making them a no-brainer for stocking up. You can get a variety of options without breaking the bank. And here's the best part. You don't need to cook them. Canned beans are fully cooked and can be eaten straight out of the can, making them perfect for when you have limited resources or no power. So, whether you're prepping for a storm, building a survival kit, or just want to be prepared for the unexpected, canned beans should be your go-to. They're nutritious, affordable, and can be eaten anytime, anywhere. In any survival situation, food is crucial. But with canned beans, you'll be fueled, nourished, and ready to face any challenge that comes your way. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more survival tips and tricks. Stay safe and stay prepared.